Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time.
Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Are we doing good? Are we in the mood for some dancing? Yeah? Well, I have a dance that I would like for you guys to follow along with. It is called I Can Move My Body Like Anything. That sound fun? Are you ready? All right. Let's move our bodies so we can stand up. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake, shake. I can roll it like a roller coaster, roll it like a roller coaster, roll it like a roller coaster, roll, roll. I can pop it like some popcorn, pop it like some popcorn, I can pop it like some popcorn, pop, pop. I can wave it like the ocean, wave like the ocean, I can wave it like the ocean, wave, wave. Like a monkey in a tree, sway, swing. Like a monkey in a tree, sway, swing. I can move my body like anything. I can move my body like anything. I can flip it like a pancake, flip, flip. Flip your pancakes, flip, flip. I can bounce it like a basketball, bounce it like a basketball. I can bounce it like a basketball, bounce, bounce. I can twirl it like a dancer, twirl, twirl. I can twirl it like a dancer, twirl, twirl. I can clean it like a vacuum cleaner, clean it like a vacuum cleaner, clean it like a vacuum cleaner, clean, clean. Like a monkey in a tree, like a monkey in a tree, like a monkey in a tree, sway, sway. I can move my body like anything. I can move my body like anything. I can spread it like some peanut butter, spread, spread. I can spread it like some peanut butter, spread, spread. I can bloom it like a flower, bloom, bloom. I can bloom it like a flower, bloom, bloom. I can jiggle like some jello, jiggle like jello. I can jiggle like some jello, jiggle, jiggle. I can sparkle like a star, sparkle like a star, sparkle like a star, sparkle, sparkle. Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing. Like a monkey in a tree, sway and swing. I can move my body like anything. I can move my body like anything. Oh yeah. Good job. I hope you guys had fun with that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Today is Thursday.
In
this song, I'm going to teach you the 12 months of the year. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. All right, now let's try to sing them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. That was great. Now let's sing them again. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year.
Did you know that there are 4 seasons in every year? What's your favorite season? If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you've got 4 terrific reasons to shout out and name the seasons. Clap your hands.
If you really love the winter, go like this. If you really love the winter, go like this. 'Cause the winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering and sneezing. Go like this.
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray! Hooray! In the spring you run and play and shout hooray! Hooray! In the spring the grass is growing and the gentle breeze is blowing and the warmer sun is glowing. Shout hooray! Hooray!
Well, if you really love the summer, stamp your feet. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and camp and fish all day. All summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet.
If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold, then it's back to school you go. Slap your knees.
The weather is. The season is.
Kids, let's make some shapes. First, we're going to make a circle. So we're going to start at the top, circle and stop. There's our circle. Next, we're going to make a triangle. Start at the top, slide down, across the bottom, climb up. There's our triangle. Next, we're going to make a rectangle. Little line down, big line across, little line up, big line across. There's our rectangle. Next shape is going to be a trapezoid. Little line across, slide down, big line across, slide up. There's our trapezoid. Next, we're going to make a hexagon. So we're going to make 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's a hexagon. Alright, our last shape is going to be a rhombus. So we're going to slide down the other way, slide up the other way. And there's a rhombus. Alright, thank you for making shapes with me.
All done.